Good morning friends, welcome back to a new video. It's actually Christmas Day today. What better way to spend it than out here in nature. I'm currently at Lake Eibsee, which is a really beautiful lake here in Bavaria. One of the most beautiful, I think, in the region. It's absolutely stunning here. Charlene stayed in the van. She's having a bit of a slow Christmas morning, which sounds quite nice, but still I'm happy that I made it down to the lake here because it's absolutely stunning. I've been here for about an hour, and when I first got here, everything was covered in fog. Couldn't see anything. It's kind of slowly opening up again now, and I think in the next hour or so, the sun should pop from behind the mountain. That up there is the Zugspitze, which is about 3,000 meters tall. It's a giant. And there's also a cable car which takes you all the way up to the top. In fact, I was surprised. This morning I didn't think there'll be many people here, being Christmas Day, but the cable car was packed, so I guess everyone's heading up there for skiing. What's really nice about this lake is just further on down there, as you can see, there's loads of different small islands. Still can't get over how crystal clear this lake is. I visited this place once about 3-4 years ago, I think now, and I never came this side of the lake. I only went the opposite side. It's so nice just to have an explore about here at Lake Eibsee. I've actually been sending photos to Charlene, so I think I might have convinced her to come and join me. So as you can see behind me, a lot of people have decided the same and came here to Lake Eibsee for Christmas. This place is getting packed. And apart from that, someone else has decided to join us.
Woohoo! I was a bit lazy this morning, but I made it. I'm here.
Yeah, so happy she's with me now. And what a lovely Christmas day here in nature.
There's everything. We got the lake, the mountains, the trees, a little bit of clouds as well. And we have a beautiful sunny day.
Yeah, what an amazing Christmas day. And the only thing that's a bit weird is that as time's going by, I'm feeling colder and colder. Like my fingers are all red.
Yeah, it's cold.
And I'm actually feeling more colder than I was at 7 o'clock when I came here.
Bye.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
So Charlene's family actually called for Christmas, and
I really miss them.
yeah, it's kind of hard these days. Yeah, you know, like in the holidays when you're not back at home.
Yeah.
But what an amazing backdrop for a video call, right?
Yes.
Doesn't
I
get-
showed them the view and they were so happy that we're here.
Yeah, it doesn't get better than this, does it?
No.
Wow, the view from this side now is absolutely stunning. And you can see the beautiful lake right through the trees. Yeah. So by the time you're watching this, it's a few days after Christmas, and we really hope that you all enjoyed your holidays with your family and friends.
And preparing for New Year.
New Year, yeah, we definitely are. We've actually found a nice spot where we want to go to in a couple of days' time, and as promised, we'll shoot a New Year's Eve video for you. It's quite unbelievable that all the snow from last week has since melted. It hasn't snowed again. And this, even I spoke to a guy here down by the lake, he's German, and he told me that it's pretty weird that around this time there's no snow.
This week between Christmas and New Year's Eve, it feels a bit different. It's like the last few days of
The year, yeah.
2022 and the beginning of a new one.
Yeah, and the lake was packed. So many families, everyone out with their kids and the dogs. In the morning it was nice and quiet, and then now it's packed. We can actually hear loads of cars coming up towards the lake as well now.
Yeah.
So we've just made it back to the van, and this parking area was absolutely empty this morning when we parked. It's full of cars now.
I'm a little bit sad because all of the Christkindl markets are closed now. Well, there are some open, but they're not close to us, so no more glowing wine for us. Yesterday we went to Augsburg for their Christmas market. It was lovely during the day on Christmas Eve. I think it was our favorite, and obviously we had some food and mulled wine. And it felt so good to be in a city as well because we don't go very often. Chris also got a haircut there. As we were walking by, we saw this barber shop. For a minute, I felt like I'm back in Turkey because they gave us chai as they were from Turkey. And then late in the evening, we came to this area. It was really beautiful to drive on Christmas Eve because all of the roads were empty. And yeah, it's lovely here now.
So if you're looking to visit Eibsee, that parking lot where we stayed is just on the side of the road, and I think it's the best one because it's just about 15-minute hike and you get to the lake, and it's completely free of charge. The only problem, as you saw, it fills up quite quickly. So we came very early at 7 a.m. this morning. We didn't actually sleep there because from what we saw, it's not allowed, and we actually slept about 10 minutes away on this little lay-by, which was really quiet. Yeah, we had a good night. Wave. So we've just stopped in this beautiful town called Mittenwald, and for some strange reason there's a lot of wind here.
This town is in between the mountains. So beautiful.
Yeah, the view behind us here, like there's huge mountains in each direction.
Friends, meow. Brava.
Oh, they're happy.
Yay.
This street that we just passed through is amazing, so colourful, and then you've got the view of the mountains behind.
And this town is very famous for the paintings on their facade. It's so unique here. And they also do violins as well.
Yeah, it's very famous for violin making.
As we're walking, we can feel this vibe of romanticism because there are these beautiful houses. They're all painted in different colors and it's just so wonderful.
Perfect way to spend Christmas Day.
They all have the Christmas decor and the lights on their facade. It's so beautiful. Amazing. We noticed that many houses have this type of drawing. It's called Luftmalerei, and it's a mural art, and it's very typical here in South Bavaria.
And each of the paintings kind of tell their own story.
Yes, their own history kind of, because they have these family names, and sometimes we also see the surname of the family on the facades as well.
And they all look so fresh, it looks like they were painted today. It's amazing that this tradition continues until now. Throughout our time here in Germany, we've met loads of friendly people already. We've realised that they love their dogs because everyone's got a dog, and Holly has made loads of new friends and enemies.
She's got one paw on the armrest. She's looking out the window.
Just relaxing.
She's so cute.
We've just stopped at this small village for tonight. It's called Walgow. Really nice place, and even the drive here was absolutely stunning. And we just parked in this parking lot behind us. There's another motorhome. Not too far from the main road, but the cars should definitely quiet down in a bit. We're just on a short walk along this nice pathway in the village, and to be honest, we've really settled in well to van life in Germany. We really love it here. There's a lot more like free camping opportunities. Obviously, in the area we were this morning, it's a bit more difficult. The very touristy spots, so the places are quite limited. Even yesterday when we went into Augsburg city, there was actually like the whole road, like one road full of motorhomes and caravans. And we just parked up there. We went to explore the city, and as we were driving by Munich, we also saw something similar as well outside the city. So really good, and not something that you'd see in Austria and Switzerland, where it's very, very limited where you can park up. The meadows here are full of these old huts, which make a really nice scene. and the mountains in front of us are all covered in snow. I think the sun is going to set behind the mountains in about 15 minutes now. So we're just heading out here to have a look. What an amazing sunset. Really great Christmas day.
Yes, it's wonderful here. Everywhere you look, it's just extraordinary.
Yeah, the Bavarian Alps behind us there, covered in snow, are absolutely beautiful. And especially now, like on a day like today, when it's sunny, you get to see how beautiful they are with the blue sky behind them.
Yes, and here there's no wind at all, so that's a plus for us.
Yeah.
Wait! Oh, you're free! This is a very simple dish because we spent today outdoors, and this is a traditional Maltese dish. It's called couscous. And I also got some orange peeled here because I got this, and we're gonna have a glass of wine as well. Yesterday I cooked these. They're Maltese biscuits and I really love them. Now this week I'm planning to cook a bit more.
So I guess this is our final video you're watching in 2022. It's been an amazing year. As promised, next week we're heading somewhere special. So look out for our New Year's Eve video. We're going to try and get it up by Monday.
Holly's having a small treat so we can talk to you. Sometimes you have to do this.
Yeah, to keep her quiet. This was a great Christmas day, to be honest. And I hope you enjoyed coming with us. Yeah, we did a lot today.
We did a lot.
And ended off with a lovely meal. And this glühwein is really, really good.
Yes, amazing. For next week, we found a spot and we hope that it's going to be filled with fireworks. The sky, not the park up where we are.
Yeah, we're super looking forward to that. If you enjoyed watching us today, spending Christmas with us, please hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. Maybe drop a comment down below, let us know. If you're new here, subscribe, and we'll see you in the new year, I guess.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
We wish you all a lovely week. Remember, this week is going to be the last week of 2022. So if you have some wishes left for this year, make sure to do them this week. They came really good. Oh my God. That's it. Bye-bye.